Hey guys, 2020 Kia Telluride EX, all-wheel drive, present you to Real Deal Auto. 3.8 liter, rebuilt title. Damage was just right here. Got underneath it, no frame damage or anything. You can see there was a little bang up here, a little bent up there, but not bad at all. Got a fresh oil change on it. It's got Michelin tires on there. Start it up here. So 49,498 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, locking diff, auto hold button, parking sensors, smart key, wireless phone charging. So power folding mirrors with blind spots in them. Lane assist. Floor mats. Sunroof. VIN number. Does have the sunshades. This is a 7-passenger. It's pretty clean underneath. I don't see rust. No airbags deployed on this one. All original. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.